guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Are you enjoying your birthday so far?
So far, so good. We about to get messed up in here. This food's gonna have everybody.
I know. I'm be driving the speed limit home.
Well, this is a nice place. It looks really nice in here.
Look, we both got 2 entrees. I don't know what we thinking. We high rollers today.
It's gonna be 175.
I know.
We about to wash dishes.
We'll be in the back.
Do me a favor, pick me up later. Don't worry about no paper, 'cause I got mine stacked up for nights like this. My life can get crazy, I deal with shit on a daily. Happy birthday to you.
Appreciate it. Thank you. Oh, y'all got me. I ain't gonna cry. Y'all got me. That was good. Appreciate it.
Make a wish.
Thank you. Can't wish for you. See, look, I stopped at midway. Can't wish for you. That's cheap. I had a couple of wishes that I wanted to.
I deal with shit on a daily, but baby, I'm thinking maybe we could agree to work it out like this.
What's poppin', y'all? Trying to head back to the festivities. I had to go get my cell phone and a charger in case my mama called me with news about my babies. So, it's Friday, December 17th. As y'all have seen, it's Rome's birthday. We went to dinner, but now we all chilling by the fire pit, getting our drink on. So I'm gonna let you see what's popping. Okay? Okay, sugar? Alright, stop making so much noise, guys. I am in the crib. It is Saturday, the 18th of December. home with my children, and Rome is out with the boys. Well, he would have been out with the boys if he had not left his wallet at home and a mask. So the Uber we just paid for has decreased in amounts, which is a good thing because they are returning home. So he should be here shortly to get his wallet and his mask. And I think one of his boys is going to get a lift to the lounge they're going to in DC. It was going to be a couple's evening, but one of his friends was like, he went trying to bring his girl. Whatever. I was like, I'm going to get my boys from my mama's house. I can be home. I can binge watch Peyton. Fine with me. So you hear him in the background, right? So just came back from walking Empress. I'm buzzed from my shot of whiskey and my mixed drink. I am cool, calm, and collected. You know what I'm saying? So. He said they was in Laurel, which is not too far from where we live. Looking out the window. So he should be back shortly. Shortly. No, he's not here yet. About to get my fireplace on. Watch it come on. Watch. Oh, whoa, wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. It's coming. It's coming. There we go. So used to the actual wood burning fireplaces. It's so weird to see this one that we have in this apartment. I'm used to it, but not quite used to it. But yeah, they should be arriving shortly. I'm about to binge. I just had some leftovers of the food from the restaurant we ate at yesterday. I'm done. I am so comfortable right now. I am so full right now. I'm floating. Whiskey and crab meat laced fries, fried shrimp, and then I had garlic mashed potatoes. I'm setting myself up for failure. Like look. Who's staying up? What? Look, you know what? My daggone children about to be my chaperones tonight because I'm going to be asleep. They're gonna be watching me. So what if? I see my fire.
So we guys are just chilling.
We are just chilling.
But Sire with his friend Timmy just playing Let Escape probably.
Oh, was that the game they're playing?
I'm not playing that right now.
Oh, he's not playing that right now.
Okay.
I need to move because I'm gonna fall asleep right here.
Please don't fall asleep because
It's too comfortable. It's too cozy with the heat on my face.
oh my god.
Go first and say what? I'm sleepy.
We are so excited for Christmas to open these presents.
Yeah.
That is right beside us.
Yeah.
So do you like our Christmas tree?
I think they do. I think it's very nice. And this fire is awesome.
Mommy, you're a beautiful mommy.
Oh, that's so nice. You're such a handsome babies. So handsome Sebastian.
Thanks.
I'm
No,
going to cut this clip now because we need to get up.
We need to get up before we go to sleep.
Where's Sweetie? We're still hanging in there. Right? Rome is sick. Rome had to call out of work on Tuesday, I believe. He has been putting in work on that cold. I mean, cough, congestion, fever, sore throat, headache. I mean, it looked like a NyQuil bottle. We got NyQuil, Dayquil, Mucinex, Theraflu. You know, he getting the 5-star drug treatment over here. But he going through it. I told him that he escaped getting a cold September, October, November. Wow, me and the kids were getting sick off and on in different months. God said, you know what? It's time for you to get some rest. So he in there. We've been quarantining him in the room. I've been sleeping on the couch. I was sleeping in the boys' room. I've been wearing a mask, going in there trying to help him, care for him. It's crazy. It's crazy. We had plans, Christmas plans, holiday plans to go up to Jersey to see his side of the family, but that got canceled. Because of the cold. Cold canceled that. Also, the boys' school, they sent out a notification on Tuesday in reference to over 30 cases of COVID at the school. And then they sent out an email saying, the principal sent out an email saying, we understand if you do not want to, send your child to school because of COVID reasons, COVID concerns about, the contact. So I was like, oh, you ain't said nothing but a word. That means they will not be going to school on Wednesday and Thursday, which they would have been, but we would have had an early day Wednesday and an early day Thursday. But yeah, they've been in the house. So their official holiday break started on Tuesday after they got home. So they lived it up, gaming all day and night. So, yep, that's about it. That's the update. Y'all saw some of the footage of us going to see Rome's mom yesterday. I didn't get to get her on camera or get us actually finally seeing her because it was so stressful trying to find her on the platform of the train station, because she was coming up on a train. You already know who that is. She was coming up on a train yesterday, and she would have stopped here in DC and stayed with us last night, and then we all would have left today to go up to New Jersey, driving up there. But since Rome got a cold, that's nixed out. So as opposed to stopping and getting off at the DC location, she just stayed on the train to go up to Jersey. But they had like a 10-minute, 15-minute layover in DC. So I took the boys down to Union Station so we could, see her for a few minutes and, give her gifts, and she gave the boys their gifts. But that thing was stressful. First of all, the first platform we were on was for the MARC train, which is the local trains. Got out of that situation. Finally figured out what Amtrak train she was really on. Got to that platform, got to those tracks. Stood out there for like 10 minutes. Like, where is she at? It was a whole back and forth between me and Rome and her on the phone. It was like, finally saw her before the train pulled off. So that was a blessing. So I was like, that was God. I was like, amen. Absolutely. That was God. No one else could have did that on time, because that train should have been gone by the time we saw her. But he held that train. So I just had some pizza for breakfast. It's 11:34. And I'm about to watch some more Peyton. Deuces. that?
Not dumb.
My thumbnail. It is my thumbnail. I don't know where it went. I'm trying to open something and it's
It's in the
gone.
box. It's inside of the box.
It shouldn't be. I just cleaned up all the stuff over there. Hey, you just opened it. You didn't know it was yours. Find my damn some chicken soup so we can come on, let's go. Oh, my goodness.
I am so happy.
That's fine.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnut.